Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Hassan in front of you. Right now we are visiting botanical gardens, so we are very exciting right now. So with my this is a younger brother, this name is Alamin.
Hey
and
everyone, how are you?
Also Mujib brother, he also making videos, so we are right now very exciting because some days ago we joined on marathon, but right now today arrange this party, this place, and they manage on cricket match because I ain't a player, so I don't have experience, but no problem. I enjoy and this place, this is awesome place. Dhaka place is no available, and also Tahasin, every people they also visited. Oh, so awesome! I am shukriya right now. Shukriya this place I visit. Allah forgive me on chance. So and there are also always bad word used, but I am very innocent. That's why I didn't use this word, but I am very excited. Also marathon time I properly didn't watch this place because that time my target just botanical garden visit. So I don't know. I will come next time this place. That's why I just share with you. And this place, this place so much good. And you couple you will couple, if you will couple that time, this your best for you this place, because our this this call boy, see is bad body language use, but I am innocent, but I don't know this. I just for this symbol I know, that's why I share. Always every people, couple people, and family person, you should family. So no, you won't come 2-3 people, because this place always couple. Our Abir, he also look like Hujur. He wear on cap, but he know Hujur. He also is a make it fun. So this place, this Purishunata, this place, this clean and garden, this one topic. So everyone, please support me. Right now I am learning English. So I have to learn English, because English is very too much important in our life. And there's lots of there are lots of car, lots of tree in botanical garden, because botanical garden is a big place, and big place. Also our opponent team, our junior best, and they are also our junior best, and our dormitory, same dormitory. They are for 6th and 7th and 8th floor. So this place, our also basement, they are prepared to play. So right now I am visit this place. Our name. Sure. What happened? Why?
We should respect
Always
our
you follow girl. Hey, I always follow. You always when you girl.
You our room.
Hey, his body language. What kind of body language? When he, this name is called Playboy. He always.
If you need boyfriend, then you select.
But I know he can.
4-5 people.
We believe he can capable right now.
Actually, listen. My mind is one mind, but his mind is too much largest mind.
Yeah.
So that's why whenever any person they won't come my heart, so I just allow.
If you need boyfriend, if you need good partner, you should be select.
But so you are capable to one girl. So why you are
He is a lots of girlfriend.
Am I capable only one girl?
one girl? So you should.
He doesn't know.
I just suggestion advise him. You should you will capable on girl, so you will focus on girl. If you want lots of girl, that time
Good person,
your backside
you should
fully
select
down,
him.
fully down. So down.
Also, you lost your.
No. I am capable to handle the 4-5. No, 4-5.
Glorious
Visited place.
English therapy. We are.
Our teacher is the next teacher. He also come here right now, everyone. Hey, Shanta brother, right now you're feeling, what are you feeling?
I'm very hot today.
Hello everyone, right now I also making video. This camera I jealous feel too much good. And our Shahid brother also former person. Shahid brother, some talk my video audience.
I share everything, my lovely audience. Also, I share with you, with yours, blogger, Mr. Hassan.
Right now we are making, but I didn't introduce this place visit. I also shared before time I visited. So everyone, please, if you when I some mistake, but right now I learn English. So sometimes I mistake any word, any sentence, any grammar I didn't follow. But I want any kind of sentence, like any kind of grammar follow. But sometimes I am learner. That's why some mistakes. So forgive me, because if I 3 months after, 4 months after, I will practice any kind of lesson, and I will capable to I will able to I will able to speak English that time. Inshallah, you will also support me. You will support. I believe. And but I can't right now. I can't properly sentence making. But I know another grammar structure. But when I talk, that time I feel uneasy and uncomfortable. But if I try correctly sentence that time, I need to. I take. I have taken lots of time, so this is not good for my fluency. If you need fluency, so you should hurry up your fluency delivery. So if you fluency delivery, but after that you will realize who is tense and who is grammar you fall. So everyone, also right now 10 p.m. Also right now we are feel very hungry. And our Omar, what are you feeling now? Right now?
Right now I feel doing, but this place is harmful for us.
Yes, because right now I also this time not good for us, because I'm hungry. Everyone,
Not hungry. There are lots of couples.
we are missed him because
good couple,
one girl,
good
one boy. There are couple, always couple. There are garden place,
There are
and secret place. There are
they
There are sitting and some discuss and some body language. But this is not good for. So we don't look this point,
try to quarrel.
and so we are just practice and learners, just because our side why selected this time we don't know. So our yes sir also we are liked him because he's a good person. Mr. X, our seer, no X, he's also running seer. So how was-
Uncle.
Huh, huh.
Any name talking and any review. And
I'm trying to, because I'm a learner, so I am trying to speak English. So right now we are ready to speak English with you, audience. So you should talk. You want to talk me or us? So you will come. So thank you everybody.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, he's also very Mr. Oh my God! Right now they are on the, this site on advertise one this plate. So this is a right return inside allow not allow, because this site is a personal house available. So Nafis, right now, oh my, why you carry your bag? This is my younger brother. He also carry on book, but he also be careful. But people, you are also visited this place, so I shared.
Take my bag.
And botanical garden in this place long expense. So if you want this place visit minimum 1 hour, you need to walk 1 hour. You have to walk 1 hour, so you should visit another place. But sometimes we are two best people came, and then sir arranged on meeting. Also there are also this discussing. So how is it feeling right now? How are you feeling? You say something.
His feeling is very good, but this environment is very bad. I saw lots of couple, and then
Careful. This is not good for us, because there are also any place more and more couple, and they are sitting secret place, big tree.
and then their
big-
behavior is husband.
They are sitting behind a big tree, because this is secret place and don't look.
There are
local
behavior
people.
is husband and wife.
This is
Husband and
we have
wife.
some talk,
And
but there are no.
openly this type of work. That's why it's very bad for.
So you, if you want to family member this place visit, so you won't come only
Yes,
on a
I
mother.
won't come.
Won't come. But if you won't come,
today I
so you-
decided I won't come in
this place, because your parents, with your parents, father and mother, your sister and your brother, that time you will feel uneasy, because there are also lots of couple and there's behavior and body language too much bad.
He is one
I
kind
don't
of
know,
husband
we are adult person, but there are also this place is a government place and botanical garden and so national zoo beach side. So how is possible this government didn't protect this place? And so if you want to your family person, so you know family, you 10-15 people, you will come, that time you will feel comfortable, because there are lots of people. So thank you everybody. Right
Thank
now
you,
I've been
thank you,
very
everyone. Assalamu
next
alaikum.
time I will come this new boutique. Thank you everybody.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Allah